So now let's use the third finger on your left hand. Come to playing position. Place your first finger on the A string and your second finger on the A string. And now place your third finger right on top of your second finger, very close. Your first finger here is a B. Your second finger here is a C sharp. The distance between A and B and C sharp are whole steps. Your third finger here plays a D, and the distance between a C sharp and a D is just a half step. That's why your third finger is closer to your second finger. Let's look at this from another angle. So now let's play your open string, your first finger, your second finger, and your third finger, playing pizzicato on all four strings, starting with the A string. D string, G string, and finally your E string. Let's play the song Lightly Row using pizzicato. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grab your bow, find your good bow grip, and let's play this staccato using short, clear strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's play with longer, connected legato strokes, and be careful to watch for the string level with your elbow as you cross over to the E string. 1, 2, 3, 4.